If I'm an FX trader, if I want to trade the currency markets, how does what's going on in China, how does that impact me now?
I guess the longer term outlook really, fear is that what we are seeing at the moment is the Chinese potentially trying to embark on a sustained depreciation or devaluation of their currency. And that could have implications for their main trading partners. By implication, Asian currencies expected to come under sustained pressure as well. So if anything, in the G10 world, that's not a great news for the likes of Aussie, Kiwi, but also the Japanese yen.
Sure, and precisely on the Japanese yen, and just tying it into that massive move that we saw in the South African rand heading into the week. I mean, huge drop, right? And I mean, we're thinking Japanese investors, they were closing out their rand positions.
But the Japanese yen,
and then taking the dollars and putting it into yen?
Yes, I mean, part of that is the repatriation story, even though, although if you look at the weekly data published by the Ministry of Finance, the Japanese Ministry of Finance, there was no such indication as really Japanese investors heavily selling assets abroad. Actually, there was evidence suggesting the opposite. They were buying using the strong yen. So inconclusive evidence as such, but for the markets, they don't really need the hard data to really buy the yen when risk aversion soars. It is the case that the Japanese yen did rather well. It is a liquid safe haven currency, and the pattern you're describing may materialize before long. The thing, however, is that whereas risk aversion tends to support the Japanese yen only temporarily, fundamentals continue to not to improve, if you wish, right? And the last thing the Japanese policymakers official need is even weaker Chinese economy. China is Japan's main trading partner.
Sure.
So the expectation is that fundamentals may deteriorate further. So what I would think is that the latest yen appreciation, however sharp and indeed significant it may seem, it could be only a temporary adjustment around a still fairly well established downtrend.